Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about Pop! OS Cosmic DE. There have been some new updates and this is the April update edition. So we're going to talk about it and there are a lot of things to uncover. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so April tools, hammering out my new Cosmic features. The Cosmic DE, if you are on Pop! OS right now, like I am, so like this news is important for me. You're getting kernel 6.8.2 along with Mesa 24.03 for gaming. If you know, this is going to be a massive thing. I mean, Pop! OS does follow a rolling release type of model when it comes to the kernel and Mesa, the bits and pieces that are the most important, especially for gaming. So that's really good to hear. So the theming support has been added for apps built with GTK. So that is really good to hear because there are a lot of apps that are written with GTK 3 and GTK 4. So they're going to be really well presented. You're not going to break the immersion if you are using dark mode or light mode. They are going to conform. So let's just open this image. It looks pretty good. I believe this is a GTK 4 app. This is the activity monitor or system monitor. This is the Cosmic, this is the app, this is an app, the settings app, which is native to Cosmic. And again, this is GNOME. So you can see they look pretty good. You can also have custom themes. As you can see, it looks amazing. So you not only get the accent colors, you also get the modified icons. So you can have your own themes, which is really good. So as they mentioned, custom themes have also been implemented, which will apply both to Cosmic and GTK applications. Very good to hear. So they also have labeling implemented for cycling between light mode and dark mode based on time of day, which is amazing. They do have a new Cosmic App Store. Let's just see. It looks really good. You have different tabs, explore, create, so neatly categorized and minimalistic at the same time, I have to say. And you have updates over here, big cards with good icons. Yeah, minimalistic, looks pretty good. That's all I have to say about it. So they're building a new app store for Cosmic, which is pretty evident, keeping with designs for Cosmic apps. The Cosmic App Store features a sidebar, which is true for exploring featured applications, browsing applications by category, managing installed apps, and performing updates. So that's pretty good. You also get simplified window movement, so dragging your cursor to a Windows title bar to make it move takes an unneeded level of precision. So like for example, if you are on a laptop, you have to move your trackpad, you have to move the cursor using your trackpad to the title bar and then drag the window around. But what they're going to allow you to do is you can just hold the super button, so that would be the Windows logo button or the button with the tux icon or with something else depending on where you got your laptop from. And if you hold that key, and if you can just click on anywhere on the window and you can just drag it. And this will have the same effect as snapping your window left, right, or doing this. I mean, it would look pretty good. Moving on to Cosmic settings. So the keyword settings page has been implemented, really good. This enables adding and reordering the session's keyword input sources, such as language specific layouts, regional layouts, or alternative layouts like Dvorak. Pretty good to see. Furthermore, inputting special characters is also supported via an alternate character key. Example, left Alt plus C to type C. This is really good. You have a little accent on top of C, or the compose key. So for example, right Alt and then S to type S. Keyboard shortcuts are currently in progress. Very good. This is pre-alpha after all, and they look pretty good. Like you have everything you can see for Polish. You have, and it took polytonic as well because POL, it matches the keyword, so that's what it took. Input sources, English US and English Dvorak. For Polish, you have legacy quotes, Dvorak, and Dvorak with Polish quotes on quote mark key. Lots of different things, which is pretty good. I don't know. I mean, this seems pretty Eurocentric. I'm from India, so I'm not really sure how much of an influence do Indic languages have, or like what kind of representation do they have in Cosmic DE. I would really love to see, because we have plenty of languages. Like apart from Hindi, we have like Bengali, which is like my native tongue, and in the northeastern parts of India, you have different tongues. In different different northern Indian states, you have different tongues, but people mostly understand Hindi. In the southern states, though, it's completely different. You have Malayalam, you have Tamil, you have Telugu, you have a lot of languages down south, and they're very important to be included in here as well. So if they are, I would really, really love to see that when the final release, or at least the beta, or even the alpha, like whenever it comes out, like there is no hurry, but I would really like to see Indic languages being represented. We also have input devices. So here we can see we have alternate characters, none, left alt, right alt, caps lock. So, and another thing which they implemented is now the device name is editable as well. So here they have done that. And the ability to reset the dock and panel settings to default has also been added. This is really good, by the way. And speaking of resetting to default, you can also reset the themes to the default setting after you mess with it. Now that was really important to me like a while ago, because I was just trying to mess with the themes and it just kept breaking for some reason. Resetting to default really helped. Speaking on that topic, I had that in my video that the themes weren't working properly. Switching from dark mode to light mode wasn't working. A person replied like, "Hey, I fixed it." And I was like, whoa, who is this person? And they turned out to be working for System 76. I was super elated to find his comment in my comment section, but that's not the point. The point is the people behind Pop! OS, behind System 76 are really passionate. It's just very good and very refreshing to see like people coming and like taking their time to watch videos put out by YouTubers, creators, influencers, whatever word you're going to use. And they actually take the time. Like this person, he was replying to comments left and right. Like it shows what kind of passion they have. And this is not a negative passion, by the way. I'm totally taking this in a positive way. Like they were correcting people. They were telling people that this is our purpose. This is why we created Cosmic. Some people were trolling him, but this is really good to see when companies are really involved in their product and really tries to get involved with the community as well. And it was just amazing to see. Anyway, so we also have power state alerts. So sound and notifications have been added for low battery, critically low battery, and plugging or unplugging the charger. Really good to see. For on-screen displays, we have implementations for adjusting the brightness, volume, airplane mode, and they're now complete, which is really good to hear. Implementation is still underway for Cosmic Edit, Terminal, and Files. These apps allow us to test the Cosmic development experience, add libcosmic widgets, and fine-tune the design system. So they're taking a little bit of time, but that's completely fine because they're really important for the entire experience to seem cohesive. You also had third-party contributions, so the Cosmic community has been kicking space-themed two shoes. I'm not really sure what this word means. Two shoes with their work, Rhina BX. They worked on touchpad gestures for switching workspaces, so this is really good. Thumbnail previews for opening windows. This is what you have in Windows. You don't get this in macOS out of the box, which is really frustrating for me on a daily basis, but seeing this here, it just is so good. And they also have quick snapping, window maximizing, and tiling when you drag a window to the outer edge of the screen. This includes half tiles and quarter tiles. Very good to see. You can see half tiling over here done properly, done smoothly. It looks really good. And you also have a Cosmic Tasks app, which was created by Ed Floresh. I believe that's how you say that name, for creating a to-do list of sorts and tracking the progress. This project allowed them to make some vital additions to the libcosmic widget library, and they provided some contributions of their own as well. They have a website. I'll link this entire article down in the description if you want to read more. If you want to go to these websites, feel free to do so. It looks pretty good, by the way. Now, they also have an ongoing list of third-party Cosmic projects in their works, including a clipboard manager, fan control GUI, which is really appreciated. Not yet included to this list is an emoji selector. Support added for keyboard LEDs such as caps lock indicator. That's pretty good. Touchscreen improvements, really welcome. And you can drag and resize windows with touch. Additional fixes and improvements. So Cosmic applets are now compiled as a multi-call binary, which increased performance and reduced disk usage by 115 MBs. This is a lot. Drag and drop support was implemented in Iced, libcosmic, and Cosmic files. Pretty good. Middle clicking an application in the app list opens a new window. That's pretty good. And you also have preliminary performance comparisons, so let's just open them. Resolution 1920 by 1080 at ultra settings. Cyberpunk is running. You have, so this is for GNOME 72.38, 3060 Ti on Cosmic 72.52. Very similar, but actually there is a slight edge in performance, as you can notice. Not perceptible, but for a pre-alpha DE, especially for the compositor, this is a good news, a very, very good impression out of the box, even before your DE has launched. Thanks for watching this video. Linux is amazing. Cosmic DE, I'm really waiting forward to checking out the alpha, then the beta, then the final release with you guys. Pop! OS has been, always will be my distribution of choice, unless they do something horribly wrong, the chances of which are incredibly low. So yeah, I'd like to stick to Pop! OS and the options that Cosmic seems to provide. They're gonna be really good when done, when they're like fully fleshed out. So yeah, with that, we come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.